we don't cry. Girls like me pretend that we don't cry. Lost in the city, but place I ran right through all my options.
Hello viewers, this is Rotech, and here we give you free AI tools, test skills, and all about IT. And in today's edition, we are conducting an interview. Yeah, so we have our sister here. Please, hi.
Hello,
Yeah, please, what's your name?
Sandra.
All right, so Sandra, this is the question of the day. Mention any tech companies that you know in Ghana.
Hey, boy. I just said tech, Anna.
Okay.
And I said, maybe a tech.
Yeah.
Kwame Tech. Kwame Tech.
Kwame. Kwame. Nah,
Kwame Tech.
I'm talking about tech as in computing. Yeah. So we have another person here. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, so please, the question of the day is mention any tech companies you know in Ghana.
Okay, so tech companies are quite plenty in Ghana here, and I would say that network service providers play a huge role in our technological world. So I would say that network service providers are tech companies.
Okay. So can you please name one of the network service
Okay,
providers?
we have MTN, and to add more, we also have Telecel and the others.
Oh my God! Wow!
Thank
You are welcome.
Girls like me don't cry.